Saturday morning fabrics, we've got a great option for you. These blues are just so strong. These are Veronica Beard for the most part. And if you've bought these Veronica Beard fabrics, you know they're just lovely. This is a viscose knit. It's got stretch in both directions. It's just beautiful. The drape is incredible. It's a sky blue. It's just a really beautiful piece of fabric. Then there's this print. I did a blouse out of this. There's not a lot left of this. This is kind of a bluish gray, beige. It kind of blends all the tones and colors together. It's got great drape. It's a viscose. It has stretch in one direction. It's a stretch woven, but it works really beautiful. This is a viscose. It's a viscose poly. There's a little bit of poly in there, but I'm telling you, the burn is almost 100% viscose. There is a tiny bit of poly in there. It has stretch in both directions. It actually acts like a pontoroma. It's Veronica Beard fabric. It's beautiful. The color is just incredible. But it really acts like a pontoroma. Very, very pretty fabric. Then this next one, we have, I had it in the grape. I made a blouse for myself out of the grape. This is the same fabric. It's 100% viscose. The drape on this is incredible. It feels like the ITYs, except it's not. It's 100% viscose. It burns really clean. It has stretch in both directions. Just a really beautiful top. It'd be great for summer. Perfect weight, everything. This is a Hugo Boss. This is a pontoroma. We just have a little bit of this left, so I kind of cleaned up a little bit with this. This has stretch in one direction. That Hugo Boss is just beautiful. Then these are all $19.99, and this is $4.99. This is our black pink plaid that we had. We got another roll in. I don't know if they had lost it along the way. I don't know what happened, but anyway, it sold out. So we have a little bit left, and I love that. $4.99. It's great. Put on the bias. Just makes a great little top. Just a fun little kick around top. Even a pair of leggings would be really well, and that's a cotton poly. All right, so that's your Saturday selection. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.